All right, we're pulling up to Best Buy right now. We're searching for a SSD for my friend's computer, and I'm gonna see if they have the A6600, which is the older brother of the camera that I'm using right now. But we can't film in here, so I'm gonna have to shut it off any second. All right, so we just finished up at Best Buy. I thought my camera was messed up, but the man helped me out. It's just my monitor brightness. It was really low compared to the other 6400 that was in the store. But we didn't get an SSD. But I found some really cool clicking keyboards that I might have to get. So now we're gonna head to where? Marshall's?
Yep.
Nice. We're going to Marshall's now. It's a beautiful day out here. And we made it to Marshall's. So I might have to snag the soap right here. Cruelty-free, pretty clean ingredients. Sustainable palm, sodium cocoate. Oh, they got the fragrance in there. No, that can't be good. Probably artificial fragrances. Go ahead and put that back. I'm thinking about getting this out. Let me know what you guys think. I really like the gold, and I like Adidas. And it's on sale. It says women's, but it's really not. I got a bunch of these before, so it's already confirmed. And it's on sale for $12. That's still tight. Oh yeah, it fits good though.
Snug fit.
What do you guys think? Does it look good? From the back? Yay or nay? Comment down below, please. So what do you guys think? Should I get the bum bag? It's not real leather, so with the gold hat, gold on gold, looks like it matches pretty well. All right, it's the next morning now. We are starting with some fresh OJ. Cheers. What's going on, guys? So I just got to the gym. My pre-workout was obviously that orange juice that you guys saw. No food at all, so not really fasted, but not a lot of calories either. We're gonna see how that goes, see if I have a lot of energy. It's day 26 of my pull-up challenge today, and I'm about to smash out some pull-ups, so let's get it. I'm just warming down right now. I'm pretty much done. And that workout was honestly way better than expected off only one glass of orange juice. And I felt really good, really explosive in the pull-ups. I didn't film them all, I just filmed the first 10, which weren't that great because they were the warm-up ones, but the ones following were very explosive. I was getting up there pretty high, so felt pretty good. But I do like having food in my system before I go to the gym, just because I feel like I burned so many calories. My watch is already telling me I burned 1357 already today, and it's 12:49 in the afternoon, which is already kind of late in the day, and I haven't had any calories other than maybe 100 calories worth of orange juice. So it's time to go replenish. We need to get into a surplus, and that's what I'm gonna focus on today, getting at least 3,000 calories. So I'll see you guys when I get home for the post-workout meal. All right, so this is my first post-workout meal. This one's a little bit different today. I added some dates in it. I usually don't do the dates. I got some dates in here, just no cilantro in this one, because I'm gonna use the cilantro for my next post-workout meal, which you guys will see here. All right, it's post-workout time, guys, and I got some rice here with a little bit of vermicelli, and then of course, some beans cooked in tomato sauce. And like I said before, we got the cilantro saved for this meal, so I'm just gonna put the rest of the cilantro on here. All right, guys, there is the final product for the post-workout meal. I'm gonna eat this, and then I'm gonna head to the store to look for a citrus juicer. So I'll bring you guys along for that as well. Here we are at the beloved Fry's Electronics, and we are gonna be looking for a citrus juicer, see if we can find one, but I'm not 100% sure if we will, because this place is pretty outdated, as you can tell. This place used to be so busy, and it literally looks like a ghost town. Not a lot of cars in the parking lot, and I see a few people, but it's pretty empty in here. So they used to have a bunch of juicers, and as you can see, there's literally nothing here. Well, there is, just not a lot of things, but yeah, this is crazy, man. I'm gonna go look to see if they have the new camera, the new version of this camera, because Best Buy didn't have it yesterday. But the way that it looks right now, I don't think they're gonna have anything that I'm looking for, but we'll see. Can you guys guess where we're at now? Oh man, the blue place, AKA Ikea. Let's see what we find here. All right, so I'm walking in Ikea and I know they got the vegan food. Even though I'm full, this will be my third post-workout meal. So I'm gonna go get some food right now and I'll show you guys that. Good thing I brought the camera, but it is about to die, so make sure to get that food in there before it does. Found the vegetable balls. They got pretty clean ingredients too. Not too bad. First ingredients, chickpeas, peas, carrots, red peppers, corn, kale, pea protein, onions, canola oil. Oh, the beloved canola oil. How I hate you. So they told me the buns weren't vegan, so I just got the veggie dog on its own. I think they're lying though, because it said contained wheat after I purchased it. So I didn't see that till after, and I wasn't gonna go hassle them, but see how this tastes. I got the mustard on there and also the pickled cabbage. It doesn't want to focus, but it's all right, nothing special. It was 75 cents, so you can't beat that. So I finished that veggie dog from Ikea, and actually wasn't that bad after I ate a couple more bites. I think I was just a little negative because I didn't get the bun, but hey, we dished out on some processed white flour, which is always a good thing. I saw that there was some red lentils in the veggie dog, and I'm pretty sure it's mostly veggie based, which is cool. But all in all, I would give the hot dog about a 7 out of 10. I'm sure if I had a bun with it and I get the full experience, it would be much better. But you know, it is what it is. If you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing if you're not subscribed already, and leave a comment down below and let me know what you guys thought. And as always, I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.